Hi everyone, welcome back to Kitty Kate and Livvy-Bel's YouTube channel. Today we are just trying out a few little hairstyles that we do tend to use for Olivia when she goes to school. Being a busy mum, it's quite tricky to get really complicated with the hairstyles that we're doing in the mornings, isn't it really, Olivia? Yeah. So we need to try and make sure that it's quite straightforward, easy, quick to do, so that we can just get it done and get on our way. Today we're going to take a look at 3 different hairstyles. For our next hairstyle, we're going to show you a nice simple bun that you can do using a plait as well. We do love plaits in our house. Both Olivia and I tend to have plaits quite regularly. It's nice to just give it a bit of variation rather than just your straightforward ponytail into a plait. So far you should have seen our French plaits, like pigtail strap plaits. And you should have also been able to see our really cute Minnie Mouse hairstyle, including plaits wrapped around to look like ears. And the next one is basically going to be like a high bun with a plait. So first of all, we need to get Olivia's hair into a fairly high ponytail to start off with. So here goes. As you can see, we have tied Olivia's hair up. It's just a rough high ponytail. It's not perfect. For the sake of school, it is a quick hairdo. So this is kind of what it would be like in real life in the mornings when we're getting ready. Are we going to leave it there, Olivia? No. Okay. So we've got this lovely long lot of hair that my beautiful young lady has. So we're going to plait it. Straightforward plait, just straight from the top in 3 sections, just like a normal plait.
The simple plaits.
The simple plaits, that's the ones. Hopefully they might be able to see. So we've got 3 strands. We've got left, middle and right. We're going to take the right over into the middle. The right one has now become the new middle one. We're going to take the left over the middle. And repeat. Make it nice and tight. This lovely long plait is now on the top of Olivia's head. What we're going to do now is wrap it around just like we did on the Minnie Mouse bunches earlier on today, except obviously this time there's only one. It's in the centre of her head and it's going to look really pretty. A little bit like dancing ballerina style buns, but yeah, a bit practical for school because it keeps it all out of the way.
And it's good for photos.
Yeah, it's nice for photos, I guess, you know, as long as we do it nice and neatly. Yeah, not really. Lasts most of the day. Works really well in that respect.
Can keep you cool.
Yes, in summertime it's great because obviously it keeps it all off the back of their necks. Also, from a very practical point of view, in schools there are obviously lots and lots of children, and sometimes those children do tend to get something not very nice, nits. So if their hair is tied up, it does obviously help against that. It's really straightforward hairdo, nice and easy. We have a bun. That's that hairstyle all done. So that completes our set of 3. We're going to take some nice close-up shots so you can take a real good look at what we've done. And hopefully, if you could see what we were doing, you might be able to try this yourself in the morning if it makes your day run a little bit smoother, because it's a nice quick hairstyle and it keeps your little one happy because it's not just your boring straightforward ponytail. Then fabulous. We hope you enjoy and we shall see you soon.
If you enjoyed this video today, please remember to like, share and subscribe.
Don't forget to click on the bell to get future notifications of any videos that we have coming soon.